Spark built-in libraries. Now, Apache Spark is a fast and general purpose cluster computing for large scale data processing. Spark supports high level APIs in the form with Java, Scala, Python and R. Now, let us see the Spark core, which is the fast and a general purpose cluster computing engine. Now, this particular Spark is giving a fast and general purpose computing, which provides or which has enabled various applications to be run on top of this Spark core or Spark engine, such as the various components on various libraries which are supported by the Spark for different applications are summarized in this particular diagram. So, the first one is called Spark SQL. So, that means SQL like commands are being provided, and by that the key value store and various programming can be supported using SQL like commands. The another one is called Spark Streaming for real time streaming applications. Here the data will be in the form of micro batches and the streams will be computed in real time. Another one is called Spark MLLib, that is machine learning libraries which are provided over the Spark core. Finally, the graph processing is done over top of the Spark in the form of library which is called a GraphX. So, these are the standard libraries which are used for various big data applications and also supports various common algorithms which are used for big data analytics. So, let us see these libraries, standard libraries which are part of the Spark core in more details. For example, the Spark machine learning library which is called Spark MLLib library. Now, this particular Spark MLLib libraries provides a collection of machine learning algorithms which are provided here for doing the big data analytics, that is called scalable machine learning algorithms for big data analytics. Let us summarize what are the different machine learning scalable algorithms are available in the form of MLLib. For the classification application, the algorithms like logistic regression, linear support vector machine, naive Bayes and decision trees are available as part of the MLLib library. For regression application, generalized linear model GLM and regression tree is available. Similarly, for collaborative filtering, alternating least squares and non-negative matrix factorization is available as part of MLLib. For unsupervised clustering or cluster analysis, parallel k-means algorithm is available as part of MLLib. Similarly, for decomposition, SVD and principal component analysis is available for decomposition, and for the optimization various libraries are available such as stochastic gradient descent and LBFGS. Let us see the another library which is supporting the graph applications over the Spark, that is large scale graph computation over the Spark, which is supported in the form of the GraphX. So, here the raw data it takes, and this figure shows that extract, transform and load this particular ETL, it will through that it will create the initial graph. It will perform various transformations operations on the graph such as it will create the subgraph, it will perform the graph algorithms which are such as page rank, and it will do the different analysis. So, all these operations are supported in the form of GraphX. So, GraphX is a general purpose graph processing library, and it builds the graph using RDDs of the nodes and edges. Large library of graph algorithms are available as part of the GraphX. So, let us summarize some of the algorithms which are available as part of the GraphX library and for the graph processing. Collaborative filtering, and then structured prediction, then semi supervised machine learning, and then community detection, graph analytics, and classification using neural networks. So, all these graph analytics are available, such as page rank algorithm on graphs, personalized page rank algorithm, shortest path, graph coloring. All these algorithms are available as part of the GraphX library. Similarly, for community detection, triangle counting, K-core decomposition, K-truss, all these algorithms are also available for doing the graph analytics. Similarly, for Spark streaming, this particular Spark core provides a library for supporting the Spark streaming. Large scale streaming applications are supported in the form of Spark streaming, Spark standard streaming library system, and it will integrate with the Spark to unify for batch, interactive, and streaming computations together. Next library which is available with the Spark core is called Spark SQL. Now, it will enable loading and querying structured data in the form of the Spark. It is also having the links or APIs with the Hive and with JSON. So, Spark community now is most open source, most active open source community in the big data, and 200 plus developers and 550 plus companies are contributing, and these icons shows that the complete presence of Spark in all the production clusters at most of these companies are shown over here, and you can see that the Spark has surpassed the Hadoop MapReduce in the number of contributions. Thank you.